Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to QuickBooks Payroll for W-2 and 1099 compliance step by step clearly. Start by visiting the QuickBooks website. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your QuickBooks login credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and fill in the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section in the menu. Look for Payroll and click on it. Select the QuickBooks Payroll option that best fits your business needs. Review the features and pricing of each plan available. When ready, click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to input your business information. Provide details such as your business name and address. Next, enter your employee and contractor information as requested. You will be prompted to provide your payment information. Fill in your credit card or bank details to enable billing. Once all details are confirmed, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and submit your application. After successful registration, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Payroll section. Here, you can manage W-2 and 1099 compliance settings. Set up your payroll preferences according to your company's needs. Ensure that both federal and state tax settings are correctly configured. Once your payroll preferences are set, run a test payroll if needed. Review all generated reports to ensure accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.